What are you watching, Warlock? Hey. Oh, did I hear meow? What are you looking at? He's watching. He's got cat TV. You see the birdies? He's feeling better. Giving him a little enrichment today. Hey, cutie. You see the birdie? Yes, you do see the birdie. You know what to do. Look at you. Such instinct. You can't get to that birdie. I hope you figure that out. What are you going to do? Look at you. Hey. You're so cute. Okay. Well, I can't leave that on while I'm not in here in case you jump. Okay, see you later. There's his spot.